Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Eric. Good to see you. Today, we are planning to do the loading of these equipments and deliver to our customers. If you don't remember what I'm talking about, please subscribe and follow my page and watch my previous videos. I've explained these big projects for Chinese customers. Welcome to my live stream. Thank you. Welcome to my live stream. I'm Eric. Now what you see is a loading process of the automatic dripping machine and the oven for oven heating and cooling press function. If you have any questions, please let me know. Today is the third day of the loading of these equipments. Every day we will load two trucks. In the past 3 days, we already loaded four trucks. So this is the fifth truck. Welcome to my live stream. Welcome to my live stream. What you see now is the loading process of the automatic draping machine. The oven is and cooling press machine. For this big project, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, please subscribe or follow my YouTube channel, and you will see more information about this big project. We have been working on it for over two months before Chinese New Year. Now it's finally done, and we are loading them and deliver them to our customers. 还可以啊，之前没人啊。Welcome to my live stream. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, let me show you closely. See this oven with heating and cooling press function for making the 3D PVC dolls or toys. In my YouTube channel, you can find more videos about how to use this equipment to produce these 3D PVC toys or dolls. For example, the Harry Potter, astronaut. You can search these keywords and find the videos in my YouTube channel. Today is the third day of the loading of this equipment. See how long this truck is. We have already loaded four trucks. I believe in the past, in the coming weeks, we are still have to work on the loading process of this equipment. These are the automatic dripping machine and the oven with heating and cooling press function for making the 3D PVC toys, the double-sided PVC products. If you don't understand the process, you can search in my YouTube channel. the astronaut or the report. So you can find the videos of producing this. That's welcome to my live stream. Welcome. Americ have nearly 10 years experience in this PVC or silicone industry. Now, our engineers or workers are working on the loading process. Welcome to my live stream. Welcome to my live stream. These are the automatic stripping machine and PVC heating oven with heating and cooling press function for making the 3D PVC dolls or toys. This is the first trunk for today. In the past 2 days, we already loaded 4 trunks. 你直接退出去吗？ Welcome to my live stream. Let me know what content you want to see in the live stream or in my videos. I will give you more information about this. Okay, follow my steps. Let's turn around. Yo! Thank you. Namina. I'm Eric. Welcome to my live stream. Let me show you. Come around with me in our factory. Now what you see is assemble plants for making all kinds of equipment for making the PVC or silicone products. Now please focus on this big equipment. This one is for making the solid silicone products. It's a new equipment that our engineer developed recently. Thank you, thank you. Namina, welcome, welcome. Let me know if you have any questions. I can, show you. So you have a good understanding of our equipment. It's been around 2 months for this big project for making this automatic dripping machine and oven with heating and cooling press function. See, these are the equipment which is ready to be loading to the trunk. We need to make some space for another big project with the carpet production line. You can also find the videos in my channel and have a better understanding. When these equipment are ready, I will also make some live stream or some videos to show you guys. Okay, follow my steps to another arrow. These are the welding and cutting arrows. See these structures, and our engineers are doing the welding process for the equipment. We are the manufacturer, so we do the whole process from the beginning to the end, including the welding, cutting, welding, assemble, and testing, inspection. See these structures. After we welding them, we will send them out through the painting process. This is a cutting machine. These are the steel materials. Here's another zone for this big project. So it's okay, it's okay. You can come anytime when you are available. Let me know. You can come anytime when you are available. What you see now is machines for the big projects in stock. They are all will be loading and delivered to our customers. Only one customer, they placed such a big order. After 2 years, busy working, we finally finished this project. See, these are the oven with heating and cooling press function. Welcome to my live stream. Thank you. Welcome to my live stream. If you have anything don't understand or you want to understand, let me know in the comments. I will show you guys. See, these are also the oven with heating and cooling press function. This one is the automatic draping machine, which will be loaded to our customers too. Welcome to my live stream. Okay, let's go to the third floor to see another warehouse of this equipment in stock. Welcome to my live stream. I'm Eric. I have nearly 10 years experience in this PVC and silicone industry. Now what I'm going to show you is rolling process of the big project that I have introduced. Now we are going to the third floor. Wow, what's going on? It's empty. If you watched my previous video, you will know that there used to be full of equipment, but after 2 days, we have already loaded nearly half of this warehouse. See, these are the equipment in stock. Welcome to my live stream. See, all these equipment are for one customer for making the 3D PVC dolls or toys. Welcome to my live stream. You can send some comments in this live stream so we can communicate, we can understand each other better. I have been in this industry for nearly 10 years. For making the PVC or silicone products. See, these are the automatic draping machine. These are the oven with heating and cooling machine. There used to be full of equipment for this customer, but now, after 2 days loading, there is only half of the warehouse. Welcome to my live stream. I'm Eric. Glad to see you guys. Hopefully, my contents attract your eyes. Hopefully, you guys are interested in what I'm doing now. I'm trying to offer you more useful, most important is useful information in this live stream or in my videos or contents. If you guys welcome to my live stream, welcome. I'm Eric. Glad to see you guys. Glad that you guys come to my live stream. This is the warehouse of the automatic dripping machine and oven for the heating and cooling press machine. For one customer. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and search or watch the videos and the live stream that I published earlier, so you can understand. We have received a very big order, which will break the record in our industry. Over 500 sets of automatic dripping machine and oven with heating and cooling press machine. It's from one customer. After 2 years hard working, now finally we have finished this order and prepare to loading them and deliver them to our customers. The next step is that our engineer comes to their factory to do after sales services. But a pity that I cannot come, or I will show you guys how magnificent their factory is. But maybe in the future, I can get some small videos showing a magnificent scene of our customers' factory, so you can be shocked, Okay, for my steps to the second floor, let me show you the another production area and the sample room, so you can understand what these equipment can produce. And also, if they are making the samples, I can show you the process of the production. This is the area for assemble this automatic dripping machine. See, this is the structure, and this one is under testing, automatically testing and inspection before we pack them, deliver them to our customers. Welcome to my live stream. It's Eric. Glad to see you. These are the structures which is semi-finished product, and these are the automatic dripping machine that is under testing and inspection. After inspection, we will packing and loading them for customers. Look on my live stream. Oh, I think I should go into this camera. No? Can you see me? I'm Eric. I have been in this industry for nearly 10 years. Maybe you guys are curious what is time from what is the decision. This time was a very much for decrease. Any decrease can be directly with this person automatically and by welcome to my live stream. Okay, let me show you another area. Here, what you see now is a single area for the automatic dripping machines. These are the material tube holder. See, our workers are working hard to assemble this equipment. These are the automatic dripping machine in stock, which already been tested and inspected. If you place the order to us, we can respond to you very soon. Within 1 week, we can deliver this equipment to you. Here is raw materials of the liquid silicone and the fields for making the silicone heat transparables. Okay, now what you see is samples for making the samples for customers. See this one? These are the silicone patching. You can just heat transfer them the fabrics directly. Oh, remember this? I have released several videos about making this kind of silicone heat transferable and heat press on the bags. We will use these bags in the exhibitions. Now our engineer is preparing a new design and making the samples for the customers. So gives them the confidence to buy our equipment. I think this one is for the showing. Some customers come to our factory and trying to see the whole process. Also, the sample process, making the sample is trying to convince you guys to have the confidence to do this project. Work on the live stream. Do you have any questions about the production process? I'm trying to provide you guys more useful information. Take a close look at these molds for making the silicone heat transparables. For this one, because as you can see, there are base material. There is a finished product with this mold. Because there are base layers, so you don't have to do the Teflon coating. I have some customers asking me about this question: why there are Teflon coating? Is it necessary for every mold? The answer is no. It's not necessary for every mold. When your design only have small letters and only one layer, so you have to do the Teflon coating on the mold, so it's easier to get them out of the mold. But if your design has the base material such as this one, you don't have to do the Teflon, because with the base material, it's already be easy to take them out of the mold. For the small letters, like the first layers of white and orange color, if your design only have these small letters, you will have to do the Teflon coating, so you can carry them out of the mold easily. If you still don't understand what I'm talking about, please spend several seconds to subscribe to my live stream and watch the videos that I have released so you can understand what I'm talking about. We have different. I have published different videos about making the single layer or double layer or several layers products with the base material. So they are talking about my face. They said that I'm looking like a Pakistan guy. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know. Do I look like a foreigner? Am I Chinese? Can you guys tell? Am I Chinese? Oh, I'm here. Yeah, my beard. That's why they said that I'm not a Chinese. Because usually the Chinese guys, the shapes are very clean, and they don't have a long hair like me. Welcome to my live stream. Please tell me, am I Chinese? Am I Chinese? What do you think? Do I look like a Chinese or a foreigner from Pakistan? I'm Eric, by the way. Well, what else you guys wants to see? Let me know. Narmina, you still there? Okay, since they do not produce these products now, so let's go to another arrow. You can see that we have a customer here visiting us and waiting in the meeting room. I think this is a real Pakistan guy. Okay, let me show you guys samples that are made of PVC that can be made with equipment I just shoot. We are loading now. Actually, what we are loading is this automatic draping machine, and this one is oven with heating and cooling press function. With this equipment, you can produce these 3D PVC products, like this one, or this Hello Kitty. I have showed you guys the production process of the astronauts samples and the articles. See this? This is a bear, and this is a lion. Or this, you can see the 3D effect, 3D double side 3D products can be made of this. These equipments, the automatic draping machine, and the oven is heating and cooling press machine. See these beautiful patches. You can make them both with PVC or silicone materials. See these patches. They are all the samples that our customers want to make, and we make the samples before they buy the equipment with us. Also, see these slipper labels, shoe labels for the kids. These are all made of PVC product material. And this is a slipper cover. See, with a slipper sole, so it's a slipper. You can find these PVC products anywhere in your country, I believe. Even in China, you can find many PVC products in our daily use. steps like the bags, the sleepers. In the supermarket, you can find many PVC products. Now, let me show you the molds for making the 3D PVC products. Usually, for making the 3D products, we will need two molds. See, see, after filling the colors, baking, then filling the base material, and then combining together, and then heat press. So the two parts connected together, and then use the printing press machine to press, and then get them out of the mold to get the finished product. This is also the mold. This is a just one side PVC product. It's a PVC patch. Also, this one, I have lot of customers want to make this kind of silicone heat transfer labels because there are some samples that we made for customers. If you are available, you can contact me and come to our factory and see this equipment and by yourself. You know. Oh, see, this is a customer that visits our factory today. We are planning to do some showing to them. Okay, let's go back to the first floor and see the loading process, and then I will end this live stream. You can subscribe to my live YouTube channel, and I will start another live stream around let me see, 12 days later, because there is an inspection. There is an inspection about the 3D PVC gifts, so souvenirs. Oh, we didn't get the process of the trunk lead. We have finished loading one trunk. Now the second trunk is coming and wait to be loaded. See how large this trunk is. This is the second trunk that will be loading now. So every day we will load two trunks, about 40 sets of the equipment, but there are totally around 500 sets. So it takes a longer time loading them. Welcome to my live stream. What kind of content do you want to see? Let me know. Now what you see is a trunk for loading the automatic draping machine and the oven with heating and cooling press function machine. Now the trunk is ready, and we will start the loading. Let's go back to the first floor of the production plant, and I will show you more details about this big, big silicone heat transportable equipment. Take a close look at this big equipment. It's also for liquid silicone with 100 pounds pressure. See the orange cover? See this orange cover? This is for the vacuum process. Here, this one is for the solid silicone. So you can see there is no cover, no orange cover for the vacuum process. When this equipment is running, you can just shoot some videos or make a live stream. So don't forget, subscribe to my live stream and YouTube channel. Our engineer is doing the assemble of the silicone heat transportable. These equipment are for the extrusion I mentioned. We will use this two equipment for the extrusion. See the back side of the equipment? Here is the oven. For this small guy, this is only the oven. There is no heating and cooling press function. That's the difference. You can only baking with this equipment, but you cannot heat press and cooling press with this one. And here is the structure of the embossing machine. This is just the structure. We will do the assembly later. Welcome to my live stream. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will give more useful contents for you guys. For example, in the coming 2 months, we will produce 2 big production line for making the big size PVC car mats. So you can subscribe to my live YouTube channel so you can have a better understanding. These are the equipment which is ready to be delivered. Okay, that's all for today. In case I don't see you again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm Eric, by the way. Have a good day. Bye-bye.